Hello and welcome back to a new lesson. Let's get started. We are vocabulary in the kitchen.
Let's begin the story.
Let's begin the story. بعد اسبتي روحك بكين.
Wow, Anna. Your kitchen looks wonderful.
Your kitchen looks wonderful. واتا مطبخك زور ناياب ديارة. Looks وديارة. Wonderful زور جوان ديارة.
Thank you, David. Well,
Spaz David. Welcome.
come.
بخير
Please
بك.
come in.
Please come in. فرموا ورا جوروا in the kitchen.
This kitchen is
This
really
kitchen
big.
is really big. وتأم مطبخ زور big.
I'm glad you
جوية.
like it.
I'm glad you like it. الخوشم كبدلته. I'm glad you like it.
love the space here.
حزم بوك شيء إيري. I love the space here.
I spend a lot of time in this kitchen.
I spend a lot of time in this kitchen. وتمن كاتيكي زور ليرة بسردبة. لم مطبخة. I spend a lot of time. Really? براست?
Really?
Yes, I cook here almost every day.
Yes, بله. I cook here من ليرة خواردن دروز دكم almost every day. تقريبا every day همو روجه.
That's impressive.
That's impressive. أو نايبة. I rarely cook at home. I rarely يعني بدقمن cook at home. لمالو
I rarely cook at home.
That's okay. Today you can learn a little.
That's okay. أسايا. Today you can learn a little. Today أمرو you can learn the 24 baby a little كمك.
I would like that.
But
I would like that. يعني حزم لويا. But first
first, let me show you my kitchen.
Let me show you my kitchen. Let me show you بشان الدم kitchen.
Yes, please. I want to
بلتك. I want to see everything.
see
Great.
everything.
Great, follow me.
Good.
This table here is where I eat my meat.
Here is where I eat my meals. Here where I eat my meals. Era شويني خواردني جمكان ما meals وترجم. Here is where I eat my meals. جمكان دخل.
It's a very nice table.
It's a very nice table. وتا تيبليكي زور جوانا ميزيكي زور جوانا.
Thank you. I actually bought it last month.
I actually وتا من الراستيدا bought it cream last month. كوت أمانجي كوتاي. I actually bought it last month.
It still looks brand new.
It still looks brand new. تاوكو استشنو ديارة كبراندي كينوية. It still looks brand new.
It's large enough for 4 people.
That's a good size. My apartment
It's large enough for 4. It looks
brand new.
brand new.
It's large enough for 4 people.
It's large enough وتا أون دقورية for 4 people بوتشاركز ده.
That's a good size. My apartment only has a tiny table.
That's a good size. قباريكي باشا. My apartment وتا apartment كيمن شقة كيمن معلا كيمن only has a tiny table. تانية تيبليكي زور بتوكو ما بس تي بتوكا tiny ليرة.
Small tables work fine too.
Small tables وتا تيبلي بتوك ميزي بتوكيش work fine too. إيشي خوي دكاني باشا.
Now come over here. This is the sink.
Now come over here. استاورة إيرة.
Now come over here. This is the sink.
أوا مغسلكية.
Oh, it's very shiny.
It's very shiny. زور دروشاوية.
I wash dishes, vegetables, and cups here.
I wash dishes. من قابكان ليرة دشم. Vegetables and cups here. كوبكان ليرة.
It looks extremely clean.
I try to clean it every day.
It looks extremely clean. وتا وابهدتت extremely clean يعني زور باك بيد. I try to clean it every day. هول دمها مرو جبالك كمان.
A clean sink makes the kitchen feel better.
A clean sink وتا مغسليكي باك makes the kitchen feel better. ولا مطبخك دكا كباش تربت. A clean sink makes the kitchen feel better.
I agree with that.
رازيم يعني ما بس يويا هاوراتم. I agree with that. My sink at home is not always this clean. My sink مغسلة من at home لمالوا is not always this clean. هميشة أوها باقنية.
My sink at home is not always this clean.
That's okay. Next to the sink is the stove.
That's okay. Asaya. Next to the sink is the stove. Tanishti sinkaka stove tabaki.
The stove looks easy to use.
The stove looks easy to use. Tovaka tabakaka asana bobakar henan. Looks easy what asan diara to use bobakar henan.
Is it electric?
Is it electric? Electronia?
No, it's a gas stove.
No, it's a gas stove. What about sarخ بدبت? Gas stove. I like gas. حزم لغازة يعني ما بس تبا غاز because I can see the flame. لبريدة توانم دوكالا كي ببينم flame وات دوكال.
Like gas
يعني هالمكي ما بس.
because I can see the flame.
That makes sense.
راسته معنا بخشة.
I use the stove every evening to cook dinner.
I use the stove وأتمن stove كتباك بكاردهنم every evening كمو إواري to cook dinner بوناني.
And what about that big white box over there?
What about that big white box over there? أيتي درباري أو boxes بيجوري over there يلوي بس.
That's the refrigerator.
That's the refrigerator. وأتا أوا سلازكية. That's the refrigerator.
I keep my food inside so it stays cold.
I keep my food inside وأتمن خواردنەکان میلی هەڵدەگرم. I keep my food inside so it stays cold and fresh. کاتە چۆن دەمێنەوە خواردنەکان cold و سارد و
And
تازە. Fresh.
May I open it?
Of
دەتوانم بیکەمەوە? May I open it? Of course.
course. Go ahead.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Wow. There's so much food in here.
خواردنی زۆر لێیە. There's so much food in here.
I see eggs, milk, and vegetable.
I see egg. هلكي دبينم milk. شير. وأوروها صودا.
I went grocery shopping yesterday.
I went grocery shop. Let's go back.
I went grocery shopping yesterday.
I went grocery shopping yesterday. Wata من دوينه توم. I went توما دكاني صوزة yesterday wata دوينه.
I bought many ingredients for cooking today.
I bought many ingredients for cooking today. I bought many ingredients wata زور بيكاتم كري. Ingredients wata بيكاتي خواردنه for cooking today. بخواردني أم.
That explains it. You have a nice table.
That explains it. Wata أود دريدة خاد كي you have a nice table. كالبرتية أتو ميزيكي جوانتي يعني رازاوتو بخواردن. You have a nice table. That explains it. يعني ما بستك أويان أوهو كاركية كتو table كي جوانتي لبري خواردني أمادة دكي ingredient أمادة كردو. That explains it.
Oh, a clean sink, a good stove,
A clean sink, مغسلة باغ, طباغي باغ,
and a big refrigerator.
and a big refrigerator. This kitchen is fantastic. أو مطبخة زور نايابة.
This kitchen is fantastic.
Thank you, David. Honestly, this is my favorite room in the house.
I can understand why.
So are you ready to start it? Honestly, this is my favorite room in the
Honestly, أو إيش ناخوندرتوا. Honestly, واتها برازقوي. This is my favorite room. أو جوري دلخوازي منه in the house لخانة كده.
I can understand why.
I can understand why دتوانم يعني كده قم لبرتيوا.
So are you ready to start cooking?
أمادي بو خواردن درست كردن. Are you ready to
Yes,
start
I'm
cooking? Yes, I'm
ready.
ready.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Perfect. زور باشا. Let's begin.
All
بعد
right,
speaking.
David. The first thing we need is a knife.
The first thing we need يكم شت كبيس معنا knife.
A knife?
وتا تقو. Knife وتا
Do you
تقو.
have one here?
Yes, of course.
Do you have one here? توهتا. Do you have one here? A knife. Do you have one here? Okay, let's keep going.
Do you have one here?
Yes, of course. The knife is inside this drawer.
The knife وتتقوكا أو كأنها خندرتها. The knife is inside the drawer knife كتقوكا لناو تقمدكيا.
Let me open it.
Oh.
بابي كمو. Let me لقرأ open it.
Oh, I see it.
I see it. Here you go. دبينم. Here you go. يعني أوابو
Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, this knife feels very sharp.
This knife أو تقوى feels very sharp. زور تيج ديارة. Sharp تيج.
Yes, it is quite
بالي وايا. Yes, it is quite sharp. زور تيجة.
sharp, so please be careful.
So please be careful. تكا أجا دربة. Don't worry.
Don't worry, I will handle it slowly.
I will handle it slowly. واتا بلسر خوي معاملة لك قلدكم يعني ما بستي برنگار بونو يعني بلسر خوي كاري بيدكم.
A sharp knife is very useful in cooking.
A sharp knife واتا تقوية كتيش is very useful زور بسودة in cooking. لخواردن درست.
But it can also be dangerous if you are not careful.
But it can also be dangerous. بلام it can also be واتا دتواني أو هاجبت dangerous واتا مترسيدار if you are not careful أجر تود أجدار ربي.
I understand. I will pay attention.
تدقم I will pay attention سرنزي لددا.
Good. Now we also need a cutting board.
Now we also وروا بيسمان need بيسمان cutting board واتا تختي برين.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Do you have one?
I keep it right here on the counter.
I keep it right here. ليرة دعلم قرتوا. I keep it right here on the counter. لقناو كوانتركا.
This is my cutting board.
أوا cutting board يمنا.
Oh, it's made of wood.
Oh, it's made of wood. لا تختي عن لدار دروس كراو.
Yes, it's a wooden cutting board.
It's a wooden cutting board. واتا بورديكي شدور كرتني دارة.
I use it almost every day.
I use it بكاري دهنم almost بنزيكي هموراجة.
It looks big and strong.
قورو بهز ديارة.
A good cutting board is very important.
A good cutting board is very important. زور كرينجا.
It gives you a safe surface for cutting food.
It gives you what a pet that a safe surface. What a surface كي بستي روخكي يعني لواريكي سلامة تبدأ بو كت كرتني خوارنا كان.
Food.
That makes sense.
معنا بخشة.
A knife and a cutting board are a perfect pair.
Knifeك تقويك أو cutting boardك are perfect pair. وتا جوتك يعني دوانيكي باشا.
Exactly.
Those
are probably the most important tools.
Those are probably يعني بنزيكي. Those are probably the most important tools. وتا بسوترين أميرا.
Tools in a kitchen.
لمطبخ.
I agree with you.
هاوراتم.
Do we need anything else?
بيس ما بيشتكي دكيها.
Yes, we need a bowl.
A bowl for the vegetable?
A bowl بيس ما با قابيكي قولا for the vegetables. بوسو زكان.
That's right. Let me grab one from the shelf.
Let me grab one from the shelf. Let me grab one. بايكي كان بينم. Grab وتا بتنيا بمعنى فراندن دي. أكبرين فراندن. That's right راستا. Let me grab one. وتا قلق يكي كان باب هنا from the shelf لأو shelfي. Okay.
Here is a large bowl.
No.
Here is a large bowl. وتا أوتا here is وتا ليتي a large bowl.
Nice. It's big enough for many
زور قورية بو سوزواتي زور.
vegetables.
That's the idea. After we cut the vegetables,
That's the idea. أو بيروكي. After we cut the vegetables,
we will place them in this bowl.
سوزاكان we will place them لوين دادنين in the
Good plan. Oh,
بلانكي باش.
do we need a spoon too?
پێویستمان
we
بە
do.
کەچکە یان براکە. We do. A big spoon will help us mix everything. Yes, we do. A big spoon واتە کەچکێکی گەورە will help us یارمەتیمان دەدا mix everything هەموو شتێک
Big spoon will help us mix everything. Here is one.
That's a big.
ئەوە یەکێکیان واتە ئەوە تا یەکێکی لێ. Here is one. ئەوە تا یەکێکیان. That's a big spoon. Indeed یعنی بەدڵنیاییەوە.
Spoon indeed.
I use this spoon whenever I cook.
I use this spoon من ئەو کەچکە بەکاردێنم whenever I cook هەر کاتێک
This spoon whenever I cook.
It must be very useful.
It
پێ دەچێت زۆر بەسوود بێت.
really is.
بەڕاستی وایە. It really is.
I probably use it almost every day.
I probably تقریبا هەموو ڕۆژێک بەکاری دێنم.
What about forks? Do we need forks right now?
What about forks? چی دەربارەی چەنگاڵ یان چەتاڵەکان؟ Do we need forks right now? ئێستا پێویستمان بە پێیانە ئێستا؟
Not for cooking,
بۆ
but
خواردن دروستکردن نا. But we will need forks when we eat. پێویستمان پێی دەبێت کاتێک کە دەیخۆین. Thank you for your listening, guys. That's all for today. Bye.